Ever since I was a little kid, I wanted to start a seagull army. So today's the day I do that. But first, I need an outfit to do business. So I go to my closet, and look what I found. Wow. It's my very own seagull costume. So now, all I need to do is change into my outfit. So, ready to go to the beach now. But first, we need some seagull snacks. We're at the gas station.
No one knows who Captain Seagull is without his hood.
What type of chips should we have? I feel like they need some Cheez-Its. We got the Cheez-Its.
Army!
We're at the beach now, and there's my friends.
Seagull Army. Seagull, Captain Seagull, it's you. Go get your army, bro. Captain Seagull. Dude, see, all you had to do was one, bro. And now there's seagulls following you. They're following you. Dude, look at them. Captain Seagull, lead the way. Dude, you gotta tell your army what to do, bro. What else do you want to do?
Let's try to guide them over here. Captain Seagull.
That was so They know who you are. Dude, do you see the plane right there?
Is there actually, bro?
Do you see it?
The helicopter's looking for
Bro, they're looking for Captain Seagull.
Dude, we gotta be on the down low.
We gotta get out of here, bro. Fly out, dude, fly out. Bro, we gotta get out of here.